Look at our Lekki Pride Estate.
Wow, this is lovely. Good afternoon, everyone. And I'm here live at Lekki Pride again to come and see the ongoing development on site. So I keep telling people, I keep telling all our clients that Zealous is a brand that you should never have a doubt about, because we ensure on every of our promise that we give to our clients. Can you see what is going on here? Can you see development fast approaching? We told you the last time that we ensure that we put all hands on deck to bring out a top-notch development. Can you see what is going on? Can you see the building is already standing? The building is already standing on site. Kudos to all our engineers that are working on site. You see the block work is going up. The block work is going on. The engineers on site, they are really versing. They want to ensure that this development is done as quick as possible. The last time I showed you the video of this place, I believe you know the level we are. See, the foundation, we ensure that we pay serious attention to it, because if you look at it, the height of the foundation is very solid. We pay serious attention to it because when the foundation is very strong, then anything coming on it is guaranteed. So all the blocks are coming up already. 247 work is going on here. I'm super excited. All the blocks are coming up at the same time. Can you see? So the locations, everything is coming up so fantastic. Can you see it? So lucky to all our clients. All our clients that have purchased this location, they are really lucky to buy at the right time. So can you see what I'm saying? Can you see? These are all standby engineers ensuring that work is going on site. Can you see them? They're working 247. We'll make sure that we do night in this location so that we can deliver as fast as possible and as quick as possible. The block is super strong. Super strong. So nice one. We appreciate you all. It has been a wonderful year so far.